Episode 1: The World of Dairy Farming in Western Countries. Part 1: Introduction. In the Western world, dairy farming isn't just about milking cows, it's a high-tech, sustainable business model. Countries like the USA, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and parts of Europe have transformed dairy into an industry driven by automation, data, and science. A modern dairy farm today uses robots, sensors, and digital monitoring systems to manage everything, from milking to feeding and even analyzing milk quality in real time. Part 2: Global Importance. The Western world contributes over 35% of global milk production, with the United States and European Union leading the charts. But unlike developing countries, their focus is not only on quantity, it's on efficiency, quality, and animal welfare. Each cow in a Western dairy is part of a data-driven system. Farmers can check on their mobile apps how much a specific cow ate, how much milk she gave, and whether her body temperature or walking pattern has changed, all in real time. Part 3: Working System. Most Western farms operate 24/7, but humans don't work around the clock. Machines do. Robotic milking systems automatically milk cows when they approach. Automated cleaning systems wash the barns without human help. Ventilation and temperature sensors ensure cows stay comfortable year-round. This efficiency allows farmers to focus on data, breeding, and management instead of labor-intensive tasks. Part 4: Animal Welfare and Environmental Care. Western countries strictly regulate animal rights and environmental impact. Each dairy farm must comply with standards that protect the animals and reduce pollution. Many farms use biogas systems that recycle cow manure into clean energy. Farmers receive government incentives and tax reliefs for using eco-friendly and sustainable technologies. Part 5: Lessons for Viewers. This episode introduces how the Western dairy industry has combined technology, smart management, and environmental responsibility to make dairy farming a profitable and respected profession. It shows that modern farming isn't about more cows, it's about smarter systems. Dairy is a billion-dollar high-tech industry in the West. Robotic and digital systems make farms efficient and sustainable. Governments support eco-friendly dairy through grants and subsidies. Western dairy success equals smart technology plus care for animals plus business mindset.